So I'm going to be doing a phone unboxing from my mom. I'm going to put that there, so, because I lost my tripod, got a new camera recently. Well, it's a phone. Still can't get a camera for the channel, my channel. I have a group channel. So sorry if the camera's wobbling. I'm doing it with one hand. Yeah. I haven't had a haircut in a few weeks. Ta-da! Look at the contents. Basically, like this phone, I don't know what happened to this phone. I'm not sure if it got lost or something. Yeah, sorry about the mess. There's roaches. Wait. Oh, I got confused on where the prongs were. Plastic. What's this? Quick start guide? No thanks. What's this? Oh, there's the backs for the phone and the batteries. I got confused. Oh, no, never mind. It's not like this. It's not like this one. It's round. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, because it's different. Bam! Oh! Grabbed the wrong thing. What are these things for? I don't know what these things are for. Is the old box here still? No, apparently my mom threw it away out of anger. Because there's a second phone she's had to get. Wait a minute. Where the phone's at? Yeah, I really need night tests. Wow, it looks the exact same as the old phone. Oh, nope. Up here does, but when it comes to the buttons and stuff, no. Hope y'all can see me and stuff. I got it. Okay, there we go. Bam. What is this? Is this like snap on it? I'll just put that back in my box. Oh. I was like, where'd I put the backs of the phones with the batteries? They're right in front of the camera. I thought there was a seal on this. A seal, like, to stop it from falling. How do I... The phone turned on. I accidentally pressed 1. Out of... Yeah, I haven't plugged the base in yet. Wait. It's time to see what happens whenever you plug into the old dock. Nothing wrong, I'm just doing something wrong. Oh, no power base. What? It says out of range or no power base when it says charging. Yeah, see? What? Oh, don't do. do this. Hang on. Get out of the wall, junk! Oh, almost. Yep, that landed right here. Like, don't fall in the toaster. Because the toaster is plugged in. I got confused. I was like, why is there no cable? Yeah, I get confused a lot. I have a lot of videos I need to upload. I also have a few videos that haven't gotten uploaded ever. It's the reason that there's been no post. Plug that into there and then... No, it's video one-handed. Wait, let's see. Out of range or no? Okay, so this one these two go together. So those two go in the living room. I'm not gonna film that because my mom, I don't think she would want to be recorded. So, oh, I had the dock upside down. I had it like that. I was like, why is that there? And because it's supposed to be like this. Oh, what the? Oh my goodness. Oh, there's roaches in there. What the? Just give me the cable. Give me the cable. Why is it connected to the T? What the? Oh. I was wondering why it wasn't unplugging. It's connected to ow, it's connected through Ethernet out the back. I'm gonna toss it outside. It's covered in roaches. Look, phone. Okay. This thing's covered in roaches. Why? What the? Is because there was a ton of roaches under it. Expect tech destruction phone. Stay out there, you piece of junk. You're sleeping with the mosquitoes. Where's the other phone at? The other phone is still in the box. If you can see. Come here. ASMR. This is the connector piece for people that are interested in that. Watch me put this in backwards or something. Sorry about my nails. Okay, I'm gonna do this with one hand. Just get them unplugged. What? What's wrong? Okay. There. Okay. Okay. Month one. Oh, nope. Oh, okay. What? What? What's it doing? Look. Look at this. What? It's freaking out. No line. Scared me. I pressed this thinking it would get rid of that, but it rang this phone. There you go, roaches. There's your new home, I guess. The roaches covered on this. Oh. Yeah, gone garbage. Oh! Ah, the knife. Forgot about my pocket knife. Not supposed to show that on camera. YouTube will demonetize you for that. I can't get demonetized, so I'm good. Oh. Plug it in right. Oh. Oh, phone. Phone, stop trying to escape. Okay. I'm gonna have to connect this to the Ethernet. To the ether of the nets. I'm not drunk, you're drunk. Sorry. Sorry, I've been putting my phone down on the counter. There, hopefully y'all can see. Sorry if the video's really bad. Hey Dad, I'm making a video right now. Let's not make a video right now. But I'm just setting up the landline and stuff. My dad just got home. Aha! I got rid of the message. Now time to hand this phone to my mom. Let's not clean this all up. Oh, that's what happened to the old phone. You go outside with the other one. Oh, oh, sorry. I just remembered about this thing. My dad just got home. Oh, I'm doing it upside down. Why did it have to be like this? Stay. I said stay. If I could edit, I would have replayed a clip saying, "This is my new camera," if I could edit. But I can't edit for nothing. Taking this Ethernet cable. Go. I really hope I just caught that. I spent too much time outside. Just in case I needed this. Oh. Bye.